friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price changes occur in a Cardano in the previous 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. What's the high price of Cardano? What's the price changes occur in a Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly first of all subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the live price prediction. The live price changes occur in the Cardano in the previous hour. What's the high price of Cardano? First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of the Cardano. So friends, as you can see now on screen, that is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the previous 2 hour of Cardano, as you can see on the screen. So first of all, we see the chart analysis of the Cardano. As you can see here, at this time at the start of this 2 hour result, they falls down. As you can see here, falls down, continuously falls down. But if we see the current situation of Cardano, so it is clear that now currently at this time they are ready for jumping. Now currently they take a jump. So if you want to make money in cryptocurrencies market, so it's a big opportunity for all of you to invest in a Cardano and make a good amount of profit. If you are a holder of Cardano, so that is my suggestion for you, that hold your Cardano with the end of this month, because that is a start of this month. That is why they fall down small. Now currently if you see the current situation, now they are jumping upward. Maybe they jump upward in the future. A very big jump are coming soon in this month. So my suggestion to hold it with the end of this month. As you can see here, the changes is about negative 0.57% change occur in the Cardano in the previous 2 hour. In the high price of Cardano as absolutely good amount at this time, $1.21 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hours. Friends, that is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of the Cardano in a cryptocurrencies market. So friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please my suggestion, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. As you can see now on screen, they falls down in the previous last 1 hour. But if we see the current situation of the Cardano, so they are ready for jumping again. Now currently if you see the current situation of the Cardano, so it is jumping. As you can see here, they are ready for jumping. So the changes in the previous last 1 hour is in negative, because they falls down in the previous hour. As you can see here, they falls down in the previous hour. That is why they are negative. The changes is about negative 0.31% change occur in the Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Cardano is about $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, that is the live price prediction of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, if you want this kind of more news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos.